Behind the doors of a multi-million-dollar missionary family, a revered church leader is living a horrifying double life, turning his own home into a stage for unforgivable crimes spanning decades. When the velvet curtain that concealed these sins was torn apart, the truth revealed sent shockwaves through an entire community. April 18, 2025, Johnstown, Ohio. The elite SWAT team of Licking County had surrounded a stately mansion. But this time, the target was not a criminal gang. It was the home of one of the region's most respected families. A man stepped out with a stunned expression. Gary Keesee Jr., 36 years old. He was the prince of a kingdom of faith, a church leader and son of the powerful Keesee family. So, what horrifying secret was hidden behind those red brick walls that required an entire task force to bring him to light? The Keesee family was a dynasty, built by missionaries Gary Sr. and Drenda. Their empire included the Mega Faith Life Church, which attracted thousands of worshipers each week, along with a series of lucrative businesses. Gary Jr. was the chosen heir to this legacy, a perfect model of faith and prosperity.
Call him out. Sheriff's Office! Sheriff's
Want me to
Office!
go hands on her?
Now not yourself!
Back here, Ferguson.
Sheriff's Office, come to the door! Come here!
Come out!
Come here! We just got out of the shower. Come here!
Give me trust.
I got hands. Come out! Come
out!
Come here!
Come out! Come out! All the way through.
I got hands. I got hands.
Take it easy. Take it easy. We're good. What happened?
You're being placed under arrest right now.
Okay.
You got any guns on you, anything like that?
Anything on me, no.
Is there anybody else in the house? No one?
All right, he's good.
Where's your phone at? It's in your pocket. Okay. All right, Tom, you can come with me.
Okay.
We got a car.
Rolling up now.
Did I get shoes, maybe, or something?
You got flip flops.
You got flip flops or something? Yeah.
Where would flip flops or something be for you? Or just some shoes.
Over there in that room over there.
All right. Hey, Bobo, we need to clear it and grab some shoes.
Well,
All right, we're going to take that car. We'll get you some shoes. We can
Okay.
walk in grass over there. I'm Captain Moore with the Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
I've been one of them that's been part of the investigation.
okay.
All right. You're being said right now we have 2 F1 warrants for rape against you. Okay? So we're going to walk over to that car right there.
Yeah.
We'll get you some shoes. We'll get you back to our office. And we'll have an opportunity to sit down.
Well, I'm going to talk to an attorney. That's fine. Huh? Okay. I love you.
All right. Okay, right there, that deputy.
Okay.
He's been checked, but double checking.
Yep.
Bring your arms back.
Yep. We're going to get you some shoes, all right?
I appreciate it,
They're
guys.
working on it.
Yep. You guys brought every single person out, huh?
Not everybody.
I don't see Chris. I guess he's
Negative. We got a male 21.
Who's cuffs? You want to switch out?
There it is. No, they're fine.
Hold on, we're going back to the
We're going back
Okay.
to our office.
Just have a seat in there. Just
Okay.
It's a tight squeeze. And then we'll snag your shoes. I'll buckle you in here in a second. If you guys sit sideways, you can. I know this.
I'll go on the other side.
PC, this is the only thing he had on him. Almost set on the dash.
Yep. Watch your knee there, man.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yep, I know. I know it's tight squeeze. It just slides though. Yeah, oh yeah.
I might need my phone to call my attorney unless they already called him.
We'll let Jade figure that stuff out with you, okay?
Rewinding to December 2024, Gary Jr.'s sister arrived at the police station with a tense expression, accusing him of severe abuse dating back to her childhood. Her testimony painted a horrifying picture, abuse lasting 2 years. From May 2001 to May 2003, at the time she was only 5 years old, while Gary Jr. was just 12. However, the Knox County Sheriff's Office withdrew from the investigation, citing an undeniable conflict of interest. The suspect's mother, Drenda Keesee, was a powerful Knox County commissioner controlling the budget and a close friend of the sheriff. Thus, the case was escalated to the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation, BCI. But once again, the door was slammed shut. Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost, a family friend, also declared a conflict of interest and refused to investigate. Justice seemed strangled, but public outrage ignited. A petition on Change.org demanding transparency quickly gathered thousands of signatures, and that pressure made a difference. Between February and April 2025, over 40 witnesses were interviewed. 2 more women came forward accusing Gary Jr. of abuse starting at age 8 and 10, respectively. All incidents occurred at the Keesee family home.
And then you'll go right down this hall and then immediate right in that first room here. And then, yep, just right again.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you can just take that far seat there.
Okay.
And then we'll just kick it here until Jay gets here.
Cool.
Thank you.
What's up?
Tom,
Yeah.
really met under some better circumstances, but today played out. The way today played out, it just played out that way this morning.
This morning? Okay.
So, it'll be your copy. I'm going to give it to him. This is a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
You're going to be locked up on this warrant's for 2 F1 rape counts. Okay. I'd love to sit and talk with you.
Can we?
Do you want to go upstairs and talk right now?
I would love to talk.
Let's go.
I said I'd come in, you know.
Listen, Niall.
I mean, I gotta wait for my attorney's probably on his way, but
Oh, you think right now?
we tried to call him, yeah.
Well, I think someone made contact with him, but you're saying you'll talk to me with your attorney, perhaps saying.
I mean, I can talk to you about some other things. I'd like to know, you and I talked on the phone, and I said I'd come in, talk to you.
Okay. but
Just saying.
You know what I want to talk about, right?
Yeah.
Right. Are you comfortable talking to me about that without your attorney?
I mean, that's not smart for me to do. But I mean, I'm confident this is ridiculous. You know what I mean? If we want to wait for him to get here.
If you're more comfortable that way, listen, I just want to make sure you understand what's happening. Just say I have
Well, so you're saying this morning was there like a meeting or something? I know you said you had like a meeting.
well, it just all came to a head this morning.
Okay.
I can tell you more whenever if your attorney's on his way, if we can set something up with him, maybe I can reach out to him. We can go that route.
I mean, I'd love to know. I mean, I think transparency both ways helps. I'd like to just figure out kind of what, you know, you and I could talk and just figure out how we got to this point right now.
Oh, absolutely. So, do you want to take that for him, and then he can have it when he gets to the jail?
Mm-hmm.
So let me try to reach out, and we'll see.
I heard he's on his way, but I don't know. Or I could put him on speakerphone or something like
No,
that.
I know you need to be here.
Okay.
Right.
I don't know how it works.
Okay. Unless we're doing FaceTime or something with him. Yeah, I'd much rather him be here.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if someone can find out where he's at, or
Yeah, I'll make some phone calls.
okay.
All right. He didn't have any personal belongings on him.
His phone's in the car.
His phone's in the car. You can just logging it in here on this side,
Nope.
and then yeah, I'll let you know. We'll try to figure it out.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out options and what's going on.
Okay.
Just, I mean, I was willing to talk to you. I was advised to wait because with everything going on, everything becomes a crazy public thing. So if I tell you my sister's being abused by her husband, if I tell you she lived with her parents for 3 months last year,
Yeah, so
I'm just telling you that's
I
I
know.
didn't want to be
The
public.
backstory of all that stuff, I already know.
Yeah.
I already know about that stuff. But I think you know what I would like. Some questions. I have. Some
Yeah,
questions.
I'd like to know those. I mean, I can answer your questions.
Yeah, we'll get there. I'll try to figure out where it's Sam, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me figure that. All right. All right.
Intake and talk to him later.
Intake, yes.
Okay. We did let Alexis know you'll be going through an in process. Once you
Okay.
get through that, they'll get you like phone stuff set up, and you can reach out to her through the phone, stuff like that. Because she was very concerned on where you were going to be. So,
Yeah.
And they'll help you out over there
yeah,
with
they'll
any
get you
questions
set
you
up,
have.
and then you'll be able to call her.
Okay. I don't know the process in terms of I didn't just like the classic thing. I don't have any underwear on.
No,
I was getting out of the shower.
Here, we'll talk on the way.
Okay.
I'll explain it all to you. Yes.
It wouldn't have had anything to do with anything. I mean, I was at home this morning. So I was like, is there anything I did this morning? I don't understand. He's saying something happened this morning. So maybe I know the process. That's what I wanted to ask.
No, I think he just meant like I think he just meant sorry we're meeting on the circumstances this morning, like because we've been at this for a while before we met you.
Yeah. Did it go to grand jury? Do you know?
Nope,
It didn't.
I don't believe so. This is just
On April 18th, 2025, justice knocked, exposing the truth about the Keesee family. Just 3 days after the arrest, a grand jury indicted Gary on 27 serious felony charges, ranging from first-degree rape to unlawful sexual conduct with minors. A fourth victim emerged, expanding the indictment to a total of 32 charges. With bail set at $2 million, Gary Tom Keesee Jr. now awaits trial, scheduled for July 1st, 2025. First-degree rape in Ohio is typically prosecuted as a first-degree felony. Depending on the circumstances and severity of the case, punishments can reach up to 11 years in prison and fines up to $20,000. This crime is strictly prohibited by law due to its severe violation of personal rights, bodily safety, and dignity of the victim, profoundly impacting social order and community morals.